Welcome back students in live calculation number 2. Here as usual we are going to do the value of x. In previous live calculation we have find out the value of electric potential. Now in this case we are going to find out the value of x. Hope that you will understand this better. See, from that only we are going to take one question. That question is today like this: find the value of x if cell potential is 3.58 volt, where sodium is this and silver is this. I'm taking same question that you can understand more. Okay, so in solution here, first you have to find out E cell as usual, and that we are going to study. Here now no need to say, but I will explain though. Okay, here also anode and cathode. Again the cathode is right side portion and that is Ag and it is given 0.8, and sodium is the left side portion, it is anode and it is given minus 2.7. And therefore if we take the value to find out E degree cell, then this is very simple formula, and in this formula we are going to put values and we are going to find out the answer. So this is very simple. Okay, see here, E degree cathode is 0.8 minus into bracket minus 2.7, and that value will give you equals to 3.5 volt again. So like this, very simple. If you will put the values E degree cell, you will get the answer. That is the final thing. Now we have to use, now next is nothing but the Nernst equation, and Nernst equation is this. In this Nernst equation you will see the E cell, E degree cell and that. So first of all we have to put those values. So here I am going to take those values, and those values now you have to guide me, okay, by which value we can take for them. For example, here in question, now get ready. E cell, E cell is given 3.58. See here. So I have to write in place of 3 E cell, in place of ECL I have to write 3.5 here. Okay. Next, E degree cell. E degree cell we have calculated here. See what is the value of E degree cell? 3.5 volt. So in place of E degree cell I have to write 3.5. Okay, here N is 1, so N will be 1. A is anode, and anode is given equals to x, so that we have to find. So here x, and cathode is, we will use 0.04. So hope that you can understand these very nicely. Okay, so dear students, let put the values. These all value will put in their place, and first E degrees E cell is equals to given 3.58. E degree cell we have calculate and it come equals to 3. And N is equals to as usual 1, and anode is now to determine and is x, and cathode is given 0.04. Okay, so these all value we have taken. So now we will put the again our value in Nernst equation. Okay, so Nernst equation is this. Now here one by one we will put the values. Each cell is given here. Now value is 3.58 that you are seeing there. We have just determined each degree cell is the value where we can put 3.5. Here N is equals to 1, and in place of N we will write 1. Anode is X, so I will write here in place of anode I have to write X. So in place of anode I have written x, and below value cathode is nothing but the 0.04. So you can see here which are the needed value that I have put here. So dear student, I don't think now you have any trouble in this. I hope. Now implies that we are going to put the further. Now 3.58 minus 3.5. Who will say why it become minus? Why it become minus? Because we are taking this value 3.5 to other side. I am taking this 3.5 value here, so this become minus. Okay, so hope that you understand why this value become minus. Now after here 0.059 divided by 1, that is only that answer, so it is remaining as it is. And here also log of anode by cathode will remain as it is, so no need to panic out for them. They will remain x as it is, x by 0.04. Okay, so remaining as it is. So now calculation we are going to do. So in calculation, dear students, we have 3.58 minus 3.5, that is nothing but the 0.08 is equals to, what is remaining there? Yes, I forgot something, you didn't remind me. This is the minus sign, and that minus sign we have to put. Okay, so this 0.038 is the calculation of these two. Okay, આ બેનું calculation કેટલો આવ્યો? 3.58 minus 3, that is 0.08. Now this will go down, એટલે here only I will take the division value. Okay, so I am writing here, you can see I am writing here, direct આને down કરી દઉં. Okay, okay, what is divided by 0.0592 કે 1 જે પણ લેવાનું હોય તે. Okay, so here I forgot to write 0, so I am writing here. Okay, and now only remaining thing is here log of anode by cathode, that is the this repeating value that I have to put here back. Okay, so I am putting back this value here. Okay, so this is our answer. Sign I will take here. Okay, so now in calculation we have to do calculator. Okay, so in calculation we are going to calculate 0.08 divided by 0.0592, and this is the 1 point. This answer is implies state લઈ લઈએ વચ્ચે એટલે આપણને તકલીફ ના રહે. આ આન્સર આવે છે આપણા પાસે 1.3513. ઓકે, આન્સર છે, અને આન્સર કેવો છે દીકા? માઇનસ આન્સર રહેશે. ઓકે, બાકીનું બધું એમ જ રહેશે. આ log anode by cathode ની વેલ્યુ તો એમ જ રહેવાની છે. હવે log anode by cathode ને આપણે આ બાજુ log ને આ બાજુ લાવીએ તો શું થશે બોલો? ચાલો, હવે આ તો તમને આવડવું જ જોઈએ કે આપણે આ log ને અહીંથી કાઢીને આપણે અહીંયા લઈ જઈએ તો એ log શામાં કન્વર્ટ થઈ જાય? આમાં જતા એન્ટી log બની જશે. સો નાઉ ઇન બિલો વેલ્યુ નવી જે લખાય એમાં ડાયરેક્ટ શું લખી દેવું છું કે આ જે આપણા પાસે x log હતો એ log નીકળી જશે, અને log ની બદલે શું આવી જશે? ત્યાં એન્ટી log. એટલે આ log હું પેલી બાજુ લઈ લઉં છું. જો હા, આ log અહીંયાથી કાઢીશ અને log ને હવે મારે પેલી બાજુ લખવું છે, તો ધીસ બીકમ એન્ટી log. અને એન્ટી log કોનો થઈ જશે? તો એન્ટી log ના બ્રેકેટમાં કોણ આવી જશે? -1.3513. This will come in anti-log. Okay, so x by 0.04 is equals to anti-log of this. So now anti-log of this we are going to find out. Okay, so please get ready for that. How to find out anti-log? બધાને આવડે છે ને anti-log શોધતા? શું કરવાનું છે anti-log ની અંદર? કોઈ કહેશે મને? anti-log ની અંદર we have to do this thing. પહેલા શું કરવાનું છે? divide by 3558. તો હું કરું છું divide by 3558. ઓકે, અને પછી શું કરવાનું છે? ડિવાઈડ બાય 3 5 5